Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. So I'm here to make a double Z card. Remember the other day on a video I showed you how to make a Z card where you take a card that is 10 inches and it's already got the score because it's a card at 5 and it's 2.5. 2.5 and 5 is the score, and that's your Z card. And there's a video about 4 back on my channel. So now let's make a double Z card, and I made a couple, so let me move this out of the way. And here it is. Here's a birthday one, and you can really glam this up. You can stamp on it and write your own sentiments, and I know everyone knows how to do that, so I was only showing you how to do the Z card. So here's the Z, and here's another one with a Z. But if you had, like I have a flower I made here, I mean, you could really put a lot of dimension on that and, you know, put flowers and flowers. See, I have other flowers that I'm working on. You know, you could really do quite a bit with this card. But here's the Z card, and here is a Z card. So you could do a lot with it. So let's make it. I have them already pre-measured and everything. So let's just leave this right here so you see what we're doing. So, you know, Hobby Lobby sells the cards and envelopes already together, and that's what I'm using. So I'm taking a pre-bought card instead of buy cardstock, and this is 10 by 6.5. Okay, let's see if it says the size of it on this packaging. It says, doesn't say a A7. I think it's an A7, but that's the packaging for it. And oh, by the way, I am using this paper I got a couple of days ago from Tuesday Mornings. It's DCWV, and it was $6.99, and that's what I'm using. So, okay, here's our card, and we want to score it in half right here. So it's at 2.5. Okay, and then we also have, this is 10 inches by 2. We want to score it at 2.5 and at 5. And we're done with the heart part. Okay, so let's fold this back on itself, and it's equal between the two. Okay, and let's get my paper that I already pre-cut, and here is all the measurements. Go ahead and take a screenshot, but I'll go ahead and tell you the sizes of the inside paper too. So the inside paper is 4 3/4 by 6 1/4, and that gives me 1/8 all the way around. Okay, this is really, really thin paper. I mean, it's paper, it's not cardstock, so I would use tape. I would not use glue for this. And this is white on white, so it's kind of hard, so maybe you want to use the inks and shade. Okay, so this is a birthday one, so let's put this one in the smaller panel, and it will be 2 1/4. Ugh, it stuck to me. 2 1/4 by 6 1/4 with 1/8 all the way around. So let's eyeball this and try to get it as straight as possible. And this one is the same size, 2 1/4 by 4. No, 2 1/4 by 6 1/4. And let's tape this. I wouldn't recommend glue because this paper is too, I just missed the whole paper. This paper is too sticky right there. This paper is too thin for glue, I think. Let's put that there. Okay, so that part's done. There's a Z card, and then you embellish it. Okay, so now we want to fold this. Let's see if I folded it correctly. Nope, I gotta fold it that way. Gotta fold it like that. But you know, if you can figure out if you folded it wrong, you just fold it whichever way. So the only thing I have to remember is the long side goes with the 2 short ones, and the 2 short ones go on the long one. You can have it as high up as you want. You could have it in the middle. You could have it in the bottom and then make a garden growing up and a scene and everything. But I'm going to go about an inch up. But let's go ahead and put our papers down. So this paper going in the long side is 1 3/4 by 4 3/4. So let's put tape on that. There's so many ideas and everything to do with this. I'm just trying to show you how to make the basic card, and then you just decorate with what you have on hand. I don't want the green to match the green, so I'm going to put it on the outside of the square. Let's change that up just a little bit. So, ugh, it's sticky. Put that there, and then this little one, let's finish that off, and we're actually going to be quite fast, I hope. Ugh, it's sticky. That's good though. Put that there. So I want to go about an inch up. You know what? Let's just cover up these with that. So what I do is this cardstock goes on the edge of that cardstock, and I'm holding my finger right here. So I'm going to take a little pencil, and I want all the tape to be on that side, so I don't over tape, so that when I do close the card it doesn't stick on itself. You could use wet glue right here, but because of the video I want to be fast. So let's just line that up, and that lines up equal. So let's push that down, and then fold this. Let's put our tape on it. I'm putting a generous amount so that it will hold, but it's pretty sticky. And then let's just let it fall where it belongs and push down. There is a little bit of extra right here. It's because of scoring, and let's just trim that a little. Sometimes I have that, sometimes I don't get it so much. So there you go. There is your Z card made. It's a double Z card. I'm sorry, a double Z. But you notice how I put stickers on these, and this one, I don't even know what man in dancing, I don't even know what I'd use that one for. But you know, if you had flowers, if you had balloons and different stuff, like this one came with stickers. So let's go ahead and grab a sticker here and there to have fun with this. So we put a sticker there. You know, you could have put paper behind that and raised it, but I want it to go in the mail, and I want it to be able to be flatter. So we could put a sticker there, and let's get this and maybe put a, let's see. Well, I don't want that word party. It just doesn't flow well with this. So what are we going to use? Let's just get a cupcake and put right here. But you could really embellish it up with quite a bit of stuff. But I just wanted to show you the basics. So there is the Z card. So I hope you like the double Z card, I should say. There's your measurements. I just want to tell you a secret, and that some of you probably really already know. When you take 1/4 off over all length and width, it gives you 1/8 border on all the sides. So if this is 6 1/2, then you go to 6 1/4, and it gives you 1/8 trim border all the way around. So guys, I hope that you like this. I hope that you push the bell so that you know when I'm going to make a video, because I have another one that goes with this, a third step. You had the Z card, now this is the double Z card, and then there's another sneaky one that's really cute that I'll make right after this and publish in a couple of days. So hit the bell, because you never know when I'm going to make a video, and I never know. please join my links down below. Glue Gun Chronicles is my group, and we have a loving, caring group, drama free. I won't allow any drama, so it's so loving. And on Facebook, I have a Victorian Dreams by Leigh blog. I'm on Instagram, Victorian Dreams by Leigh 2110, I think. Anyway, but guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Good night.